Hi guys, thanks for joining us again on the channel. So there's a reason I haven't talked about this one until now. It's not because I didn't want to talk about it, but because I needed to get it right. And now the wait's over. But before we get into that, don't forget to check this exclusive discount for it. You can find the link in both the video description and the top comment below. Now let's not waste any more time and jump right into the details. So, this color laser printer landed on my desk and surprised me with how painless the setup was. You don't need to plug it into a computer to get going, just power it up, run the on-screen steps, and the toners are already in place for a quick calibration. It's closer to plug-and play than any printer I've owned. The wireless setup mostly worked. It connected to Wi-Fi without drama, though the Canon app initially wouldn't find it. That hiccup paused for about half an hour, then resolved itself. Windows 10 recognized it immediately. My MacBook and iPad showed up via AirPrint with no extra software. The firmware update is done right from the printer screen, which is a small win in a world of clunky drivers. The app can scan a QR code on the printer screen to locate it on the network, which is handy when you've got multiple devices. And yes, this is an all-in-one that does duplex printing and duplex scanning, which saves time and paper. If you ever want to print from a USB stick, you'll need to unlock that in settings. Security is a thing, even at home. Not a big deal, but worth knowing. Print quality is where this color laser printer shines, and also what you should temper your expectations about. Color comes out vivid, almost photo-like, but it isn't perfectly accurate. It's good enough for bright presentations and brightly colored documents, and it's a step up from older color lasers I've used. Black text is deep and crisp, which I value a lot for reading on screen-to-paper conversions. Speed is solid. It feels like around 19 pages per minute is typical for everyday work, with the first page out in seconds. Photo prints aren't lightning fast, but they're decent for a home office. Noise is noticeable, but it's steadier than some rivals, and it's a small price for the performance you get. Now there are a few quirks. There's a 7-digit code for some setup tasks, which was a pain to hunt down. The front manual feed tray sometimes produced skewed prints, so I stuck to the main tray. The output tray isn't the strongest point either. You grab prints one by one. It's not perfect, but it's forgivable at this price. Value-wise, I paid about $244, and the price has stayed in that ballpark. If you see it jump to $300, that's stock shuffling. If you want duplex everything at home without breaking the bank, this is a strong pick. And the static IP tip, if you have connection trouble, assign a static IP to the printer in your router and reinstall, has kept my network stable. Overall, this color laser printer hits the essentials: fast wireless setup, reliable duplex capability, good color and black print quality, and solid value. Not flawless, but a solid upgrade from older printers and worth considering for a home office. And that wraps up today's video. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time.